So you have your learning menu. There's a lot of great information, but sometimes you need to link to other resources to make this experience very rich and meaningful to the students, because in theory, this is going to stand alone. This is not something that the students are always going to run back up to you and say, hey, in this dessert section, what does this mean? So providing additional support within the menu makes it stand alone and makes it very strong. So how do we do that? I'm going to go back to my Google Drive, and I have my folder here, the World Learning Menu section. This is some resources that I've used in the past. So what I want to do is take these resources, link them to my learning menu. First, I will need to open them up and make sure in the upper right hand corner that I've clicked Share. Right now it's private, only I can see it. I'm going to change this to anybody on the web can view. Save. And it's going to give me this link. I'm going to copy this link, go to my learning menu. This is the one about Graphic Organizer, so I'm going to scroll down. I can just highlight Graphic Organizer, click the little chain link, and then paste directly in there and click Apply. If I click away, then it's going to be the traditional blue. Personally, I like to highlight it again. I can do this before or after and click bold, just to make it stand out a little bit more. So the student will be able to come here, click, just like traditional Google Doc, it's going to give you a link. They click the link and it's going to open that resource that you've provided for them. So let's say I have a timeline here. What I did is I just did a quick Google search for a timeline template within Google Docs. I'm going to highlight this page, this link at the top, go back to my learning menu. Just like before, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, find my timeline section, and I'm going to highlight, bold, and link. Paste my resource directly in there and click Apply. So that way when the students get down to the timeline section, they can click the link and pull up that direct resource that's going to show them, that's going to give access to all the timeline templates they can download and use. What we've done here is taken your learning menu and added an additional layer, so it really helps it to stand alone and let the students be self-sufficient by going to the learning menu and having some links within it to provide them some resources on what to do next when they get stuck.